Quick note, this is an AI-assisted recap made for learning, not the original video, and not an official translation. Here's a common assumption in the age of AI agents. Now that a chatbot can answer almost anything, surely your notes and your whole second brain are finally obsolete. But Esor, the writer behind the blog Computer Love, argues the exact opposite. The stronger AI agents become, the more a second brain quietly starts to matter. Here's the counterintuitive core of it. The more capable AI agents get, the more you need your own knowledge database, one that AI can actually read. It has to be a base you keep correcting over time, and one that plugs straight back into the real work you do every single day. Without that, you're just tossing questions into a blank chat box, and getting back answers that sound smart but float free from your actual situation, your real projects, and the small details only you know. Think about what happens when you ask an AI from nothing. With no context, it hands you answers that sound plausible but don't connect to your reality. Now feed the same AI your own notes, your past projects, your accumulated knowledge as context. Suddenly the reply is grounded, specific, and something you can actually use. That's the whole point of a second brain in this era. It isn't there to replace AI. It's there to give AI the context it can never guess. This changes how you should pick your tools. The old question was whether an app looked clean and felt nice to use by hand. Esor's new question is different. Can an AI agent actually drive this tool, read from it, and connect it to everything else in your workflow? A beautiful tool that AI can't reach becomes a dead end. A plainer tool that agents can control and connect is worth far more now, because it keeps your knowledge moving instead of trapping it. So the job of a second brain shifts. It's no longer a private library you occasionally reread. It becomes raw material your AI agents can build from. Your notes, your writing, your finished projects all turn into fuel. The agent reads them, reuses them, and turns your past work into future output again and again, without starting from scratch. But here's the catch Esor keeps stressing. Knowledge only counts once it actually enters your workflow. Data that just sits in storage does nothing for you. This reshapes your daily role too. For years, working meant operating software yourself, clicking through every menu and finishing each step by hand. In the agent era, you shift toward directing. You describe the outcome you want, and the AI orchestrates the steps like an employee carrying out an order. And to direct well, you need a database the agent can lean on. Good direction rests on the context and knowledge you've stored up ahead of time. But if AI drives the steps, what's left for you? Esor points to something AI still struggles to capture: the transitions between the steps. An AI can summarize each action neatly. What it can't summarize is the tacit judgment in between, why you chose this next move over another. That sense of what to do next, and why, lives in your head. It's exactly the human part that keeps you genuinely hard to replace, no matter how capable the agents around you become. Esor frames learning as 4 stages of knowing. The most dangerous one sits at the very start: you don't even know what you don't know. That invisible blind zone is where mistakes hide and growth stalls. You can't fix or ask about a gap you can't even see yet. This is where a living database earns its keep. By writing things down and revisiting them, you drag your blind spots out into the light. So how should a team actually begin? Esor's advice is refreshingly modest. Don't try to boil the ocean and automate everything on day one. Instead, pick just one real workflow that your team runs often, and build your database and your agents around that single, concrete process first. Then keep optimizing that one flow, round after round. The point is never to hoard more data. It's to make data flow through real work, one concrete result at a time. So here's the takeaway. In the AI agent era, your second brain isn't dead, it's promoted. It becomes the living context you feed your AI. Keep correcting it, keep connecting it to real workflows, and let the agents do the heavy lifting. The tacit judgment still stays with you. When AI handles the hard work, what remains is your values and your life. The original video is linked in the description, so go watch the full thing. See you next time.